The appeal of becoming wealthy through the social media marketing agency SMMA has attracted many would-be business owners in the current digital era. The story is frequently presented as a fantastic opportunity where people can work from the comfort of their laptops, choose their own schedules, and benefit from their labors without being constrained by the 9-to-5 grind. But the reality is more complex, and we need to discuss the hidden realities underlying the SMMA boom and the reasons why. In the end, success really comes from the perseverance, commitment, and entrepreneurial spirit of people like you rather than the SMMA model. The SMMA dream, a double-edged sword. People frequently imagine a beautiful lifestyle full of money, riches, and freedom when they hear about SMMA. The story is attractive in just a few months. Launch an agency, get high-paying clients, and grow your company to 6 figures. Influencers on social media and successful entrepreneurs frequently romanticize this path by displaying their luxurious lifestyles and the ways in which SMMA helped them become financially independent. But this picture can be confusing. A large number of people who set out on this path encounter huge challenges. When reality settles in, the appeal of easy money can cause discontent. In actuality, launching an SMMA calls for more than simply a grasp of social media. It also calls for strategic planning, client management, sales prowess, and marketing knowledge. For every success story, there are countless more who find it difficult to attract customers, produce quality work, or build a long-term business. The underlying challenges of SMMA. Let's examine the difficulties that people have when beginning an SMMA. First of all, there is a great deal of competition. Every day, thousands of new people want to become marketers, and this makes it increasingly difficult to stand out. It is important to create one's own image, but this process can and requires effort and can take a long time. Moreover, getting clients may not be an easy thing to do. New agency owners do not understand the amount of effort that is required to get leads and then convert them into paying customers. However, networking, cold emailing, or calling and referrals are essential but might be daunting for anyone who is just starting. Delivering results and controlling expectations can sometimes be difficult to do after clients are on board. If you don't get the results you want, you can end up with a damaged reputation, bad reviews, and cancellations. This equation also takes into account the intricacy of social media sites. Due to frequent algorithmic changes, an algorithm that produced results yesterday might not produce results today. It's important to stay current with tools, trends, and best practices, yet many people find it difficult to keep up with the always changing field. You are the catalyst for success. In light of this, what exactly motivates success in this field if SMMA isn't the secret path to wealth? You, the person behind the agency, hold the key to the solution. Your perseverance, mentality, and willpower are vital components of your path. Your success is ultimately determined by your own abilities and efforts, even though the SMMA model offers a framework. What sets you apart is the desire to advance oneself, educate oneself, and never give up. Another thing that most successful agency owners have in common is that they are passionate learners. It is therefore used to attend webinars, online classes, or even business mentoring. Their dedication to personal growth provides them with the abilities required to overcome obstacles and grasp chances. Another crucial component of success is networking. Developing contacts within the sector can lead to partnerships, collaborations, and new clients. Reading through forums, attending business events, and talking to other business people can all be useful in terms of both making connections and getting information. Remember that success also lies in the people you know. The art of leveraging challenges. Failure, therefore, is an expected occurrence when starting a business because even the most successful business people have failed in the past before achieving their goals. You can alter your perspective by understanding that failure is actually a component of the process. Rather than seeing obstacles, see them as teaching moments that will ultimately make you more determined. Spend some time reflecting about what went wrong, getting input, and modifying your strategy. You'll find that this resilience comes in handy when navigating the challenges of managing an SMMA. Furthermore, talking about your experiences, both good and bad, can help those who are traveling along the same path. You may help and motivate those around you by sharing your story and being truthful about your journey. The significance of branding. While going through the SMMA challenges, building a personal brand becomes essential for the process. Its agency's brand is not only its name and logo, but also its mission, beliefs, and attitude. A good brand also assists you in reaching the right market as well as establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Be very selective about the identity of your brand. What values do you uphold? What distinguishes you from your rivals? After you have a clear understanding of these issues, produce content that speaks to your audience and embodies the voice of your brand. Whether you share insightful content through videos, blog posts, or social media updates, it can help you gain reputation and draw in new customers. Focusing on results, not just revenue. When they first enter the SMMA industry, a lot of people get obsessed with making money. Even though these indicators are clearly significant, you must refocus on providing your clients with actual value. Comprehending their objectives, challenges, and requirements will enable you to develop customized approaches that yield positive outcomes. Content. Customers frequently provide recommendations, advertising, and enduring alliances. Spend time developing a relationship with your clientele rather than focusing on achieving immediate success. Maintain regular contact. Provide them campaign performance updates and ask for feedback to make sure they feel heard and appreciated. It's also important to stay up to date with current forms of digital marketing strategies and trends. By using this information, you can satisfy the needs of your clients with modern tools that give them a competitive advantage. Staying abreast of current trends can significantly enhance the worth of you and your team. Think about using customized marketing strategies that appeal to the distinct target demographic of each customer. By using data analytics, you may improve targeting and engagement by gaining a better understanding of customer behavior and preferences. Make openness a top priority in all of your correspondence. Building trust and establishing yourself as a dependable partner in your client's growth process is achieved through sharing both achievements and setbacks with them. Aligning expectations and showcasing your dedication to your client's objectives can be accomplished by establishing precise success criteria and routinely evaluating them with them. You may increase client happiness and establish a strong reputation in the SMMA market by concentrating on value creation. In the end, this client-centered strategy can help your firm expand and succeed sustainably while converting one-time clients into devoted supporters. Investing in tools and resources. The efficiency and efficacy of your agency can be greatly increased by utilizing the appropriate tools and resources, even though your skills and knowledge are still very important. Numerous solutions are available to help with analytics, social media scheduling, project management, and other tasks. Purchasing these tools will help you save time and provide your clients with better outcomes, but you have to approach this with a strategic mindset. Consider the needs of your agency and prioritize the tools by your purpose. These tools, which include social media scheduling software, analytics tools, and customer relationship management (CRM), can give you an edge. The power of ongoing change. In digital marketing, a state of stagnation is not good. The latter state that change is the best thing that can happen to an entrepreneur, and the one who always adapts himself or herself to change is the best businessman. Organizations should remain vigilant of the market, changes in new product offerings, changing trends, or shifts in client demands. It is recommended to monitor the performance of your agency and change something if necessary. It might not be applicable today what worked last year. To keep updated, follow industry trends, check out webinars, and talk to thought leaders. Your agency will remain competitive and relevant if you can innovate and make quick decisions. Celebrating small wins. It does not matter how small the achievements are, they should be celebrated before you start your journey. Every success, be it getting your first client, completing a campaign successfully, or getting good feedback, is evidence of your hard work. Recognizing these victories can give you the inspiration to carry on moving forward. Establish a strategy for monitoring and acknowledging your achievements. Keeping a journal or telling your network about your successes might be enough for this. Honoring minor victories not only improves your mood but also strengthens your dedication to your objectives. The story of SMMA is more about the people who give the model life than it is about the model itself. SMMA might offer a structure, but ultimately, as the business owner, you decide if it will succeed or fail. Your commitment, determination, and openness to new experiences are what will actually propel you toward your objectives. In a world full of chances and difficulties, keep in mind that success takes time. It calls for perseverance, hard work, and a steadfast faith in oneself. Accept the journey, continue to be flexible, and never waver in your resolve to provide value to your clients. The wealth you eventually accumulate will be a direct result of your work, and the reality will sink in you, not SMMA, are the one who made him wealthy. As you come to the end of your adventure through the complex world of social media marketing agencies, keep in mind that success is not without its difficulties and victories. Accept the lessons you've learned since every move you take, no matter how big or small, shapes you as an entrepreneur. The SMMA model may draw a lot of people due to the attraction of wealth, but in the end, people like you who are determined, passionate, and committed will pave the way for real success.